Hello, everybody. This time I will explain about the RStudio for program fuzzy structural equation modeling hybrid with neural network. Basic from my paper is to explain about the e-commerce. Uh, for the library, we input the library from the TensorFlow and Matrix TTR. We run this, and then for data simulation, we have uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 7 variable as years, e-commerce category, visitor, uh, transaction value, uh, cost of server, transaction number of transaction, and the level of delivered, and then revenue. We we run this and we get the new data for the to save the data frame as classified before. And then we using min max scaling to normalization. After that, we 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 save the data normalization to the min max scaling of variable. And then we generate the linear regression for the regression linear one is the value transaction as affect uh, visitor, cost of the cost of the cost of the server, number of transaction, level of belief, and is the affected to the value of transaction. And for the part two is regression linear two, number of value of transaction is affected to the cost to the revenue. We build the structural equation modeling as based from the falsification. We have to estimation the beta 1, beta 2 is the uh, until alpha 2 is the coefficient of the regression linear. We build the function uh, and then we estimate the coefficient, and then we we return to the model structure. We build the structural model. Yes, we got the at the table, and then we estimation the data from the linear from the structural equation modeling, fuzzy structural equation modeling as we built before. We including the data as we built before. And then we got the estimation data is, yes, for the visitor is uh, 554,170,000 001. And then we apply SEM to predict the latent variable. Latent variable, yes, this. And then we got the latent variable 1 and latent variable 2 as the value of transaction and the revenue. From this, we want to know about the revenue to management strategy for the increasing and stability the price for it at e-commerce shopping. Yes. And then we use neural network to know about the mm, probability as we prediction the latent variable. We you can see at the RStudio. This is the function for the build the neural network. This is the hidden layer. Hidden layer is to know about the what is the factor is dominant to affected for the prediction of the revenue. This the number of four. K. We use K to validation is we use 5K for number of validation. As cross validation is to validation of the data to predict and then get the accurate prediction. We build the training data and testing data because this model is uh, categorical to the machine learning model. And then we use the data as the fuzzy structural equation modeling when we predict before, and then we get the prediction for the latent variable. For the revenue is this the oh what is percentage for the increase or decrease. Uh, at the data one for the visitor is 88%. For the Shopee is 89%. And then for the Tokopedia, this the e-commerce in Indonesia is we have five e-commerce is Shopee, Tokopedia, Lazada, Blibli, and Bukalapak. And for the Tokopedia is 83% uh, and increasing at the future at the year of 2024. And then for the revenue for the Lazada is the change for 83%. And then for the revenue of the Blibli is change for 88%. And then for the Bukalapak is the increasing 72%. Yes, this to know the prediction error we have MAPE. We using MAPE is mean absolute percentage error is calculated from the average for the absolute value uh, from the actual data minus prediction data and then divide with actual data, and we cross to the 100. It's the 2.76% error. It's the good model just for because the model is minimum from the because the model is very accurate because the error is very minimum like 2.76. That's all about the quasi structural equation modeling neural network using RStudio. Thank you so much. If you have a question, you can read from the email. Thank you.